Hi, I'm Joe Stuckey, CTO at SalesCentric. I want to introduce relationship charts from an overview standpoint, more along the lines to make sure you understand the lingo we use as you go through the admin guide and as you watch other administration videos that we prepare for training sessions. Relationship charts is installed out of the box against accounts, contacts, and opportunities, and the entities that are allowed on those relationship charts are account and contact and their ghost. But relationship charts can go against any entity within CRM, including custom entities, and allow any entity within CRM to be displayed on a relationship chart. Again, out of the box, it's against account, contact, and opportunities. This is an account, Coder Technologies. You can see relationship charts is here in the left-hand navigation, and I can have as many relationship charts for the element, Coder Technologies, of the entity account that I want to. So Coder Technologies can have as many relationship charts as they want to. You can also see that from my VPC, I've opened up a relationship chart, and I have many actors already on there. We refer to these boxes as actors, and they represent the entity. So this is a account actor, this is a contact actor, a user actor, and an opportunity actor. Also, you can see that there's a lot of information coming from CRM that I, as the administrator, can determine what information should be displayed and where. And indeed, I can have multiple cards to represent those within CRM, including I can have a picture. Defining those cards we'll cover off in another video. Also, you can see that there's red lines and blue lines. The red lines represent hierarchical, and the blue lines are the interpersonal, the relationships that we maintain between entities or individuals within those entities. And indeed, in this situation, I built a custom entity to maintain the relationship between a user and a contact. Okay, and I'll show you that. Another thing, the white area we refer to as the canvas, and the top here is the toolbar. Two things you may not have on your toolbar after you implement is the export to Excel. If you don't have that automatically show up after implementation, after you install, please send an email to support@salescentric.com, and they will gladly help you get that installed. Also, the generate chart will probably not show up, but we can help you with that in a later training session. That just is a piece that shows up once you have, as the administrator, defined something to show up there. The other thing I want to cover over in this session is the ghost, and just want to bring and make sure you're familiar with the ghost. You'll see that a lot. The ghost is just a placeholder for information that I may not know inside Microsoft CRM, but I do want to show it on a chart. So the administrator defines what a ghost will look like, but it takes on the same characteristics. This is a contact ghost. So you can see the green line means it's going to show an interpersonal relationship, okay? And I can default that view, and we'll show you again what that looks like. And the red line, as I navigate there, will be hierarchical. So I can show that this IT manager, even though I don't know who it is, reports into Coder Technologies. Also, at any point in time, I can right-click and set that contact with an account from Coder Technologies. You can see here's the CTO, Alex Powell, and I'll bring him on. And if there has been a definition, it will show his information. Okay? And at any point in time, I can undo what I've done and go back, or I can completely reset it to the time it was at the last time I saved. Again, I hope you watch some of the other videos. We're trying to keep these short and sweet so you can learn as much as possible as you have time. Thanks a lot, and I look forward to talking to you in the next video.